Ciao, it's just Kerri today. I decided back in 2021 when Mike and I purchased our home, I started a blog and I haven't been updating it at all because I can't type for too long, so it's just too much lately. But I'm going to go back and read through those blog entries so that we can relive some of those moments in the beginning, the first few days that we got to the house. I think it'll be a fun way to, make sure we don't leave any of the details out. So thanks for watching. So now here's the next entry. I need my glasses because I can't see. So I thought it would be fun to reread these for you. Okay. So it says, well, Monday, 2/22/2021 was our first night in Italy. We were pleasantly surprised and, should I say, relieved when we saw the home. My mom kept saying, what if you get there and it's a scam? Honestly, the thought never really crossed my mind because we did hire an attorney Marco Permium from, I don't know how to say his last name, from Italian real estate lawyers. He and his assistant Linda were our constant go-to. Actually, we never really spoke to him. We only spoke to Linda. I found him on YouTube where he does weekly podcasts with a host, Raphael, regarding all things about Italian home purchase and visas. He seemed honest and decent, so we hired him. So we woke up Tuesday, left the Airbnb right at the town square. B&B Sabina is the name of it, and I can even attach the link. We walked down to the house. This is where my panic set in. Still no water, no Wi-Fi, and why was our electric out? We emailed the attorney to see. They confirmed all was okay with the electric company. We emailed, they confirmed all was okay. We ran into Natalini, the village electrician. We had already been introduced to him the day before by the realtor. He basically told us, it's okay, try tomorrow. If you're a fan of Under the Tuscan Sun movie, say that in the contractor's voice. Okay, so what I'm saying is, if you're a fan of the Under the Tuscan Sun movie, when I say it's okay, say it like you're watching that movie. Because if you remember the contractors, everything's like, it's okay, it's okay.
Okay. Yes.
See, Francis, no problem. Oh, God!
Okay. Yes. Kurwa mać.
Kurwa mać means holy shit in Polish. I learned that day.
Insert the deer in the headlights. Kerri's face. I don't want to wait till tomorrow, Natalini. I said I want electric now. Is that asking too much? Mike figured out that the inside fuse box was non-functional. We had blown a flippin' fuse, shutting off power outside to the main unit. Luckily, our 100 keys we were given, one opened the electric meter box. Mike flipped the switch and thank you, Jesus. Let there be light. We discovered the previous owners left more than just furniture for us. They left literally a bunch of unwanted everything. There's not even a local dumpster nor normal American trash collection, so this is quite frustrating. So we will pray the garbage collectors have pity on us and don't mind us looking like Sanford and Son until we figure it out. The other good news, in the 100 keys, Mike also found the key to the main water supply shutoff outside. A flip of that valve, and now we have running water. I guess we are good to go, so we thought. Stay tuned, it's only Tuesday. Our village is simply charming. We are in the mountains and there are just beautiful views everywhere. Our street is no more than 10 feet wide and beautiful cobblestone. You can barely fit a Fiat, but they do. It's everything I hoped it would be, charming and full of character. I am truly in love with Poggio Nativo. The photo of our home below, all 3 levels are ours. It's a beautiful stone and brick home attached to an ancient wall, castle wall. It was also listed as the guardian of the castle. After losing my dad, Michael Dunn, in August, he was the proudest Marine I know and a Vietnam veteran. He now guards the gates of heaven. The village patron saint of Poggio Nativo happens to be Michael the Archangel. I know my dad was surrounding us during this entire process of purchasing this home. We happened to sign our contract on Veterans Day, and to have the Marines on our flight was yet more confirmation he was with us. Mike even brought my dad's drill in his checked bag to have it here with us. It's quite fascinating. I'm finding the positives because get ready. And I think the next one is when I go into the plumbing issue of the video that you just saw. So that was journal blog entry number 2. And I will show the photos of the house when we got there. So I think this is a good way to kind of, like, we're reliving everything Mike and I do in the videos, but this is like in the moment what happens, because I've already forgot things. Mike and I totally forgot that we got there and there was no water. So I think reading these journal entries is gonna be neat. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Ciao.
Pack my bags and close the door. Airplanes waiting, can't ignore. Off to Italy, sunny shore. Rome by night, I'll explore. Viva l'Italia, under blue skies, gelato mountains and pizza pies. History whispers in the streets, summer romance in every heartbeat. Venice canals where gondolas glide. Beyond the city my secrets hide. Florence art in every stride. Tuscany's hills my dreams ride. Viva l'Italia, under blue skies, gelato mountains Ciao